Code of Federal Regulation Title 29, Fed OSHA, Part 1910.178, Section M7 states, brakes shall be set and wheel blocks shall be placed to prevent movement of trucks, trailers, or railroad cars while loading and unloading.
The purpose of this video is to show you the importance of chocking your truck. It is also UPS policy and the law.
Hey! Can you chock your truck? Okay, thank you. I think you did it wrong. I'll come show you. I'll show you the proper way to do this. What you need to do is put the tire, the chock right next to the tire, flush that way and flush this way, so that way you get a proper fitting on the tire.
Okay, thank you. As previously shown on how to properly chock a straight truck, the same technique should also be utilized for chocking a tractor trailer. As you can see, this particular trailer is not chocked properly. The chock should not be set at an angle, should not be set away from the tire, should definitely not be set in front of the front tire, but in between the rear tandems, flush against the rear tire, both on the face and the outside of the tire. That concludes our instructional video on how to properly chock a truck.